Hi, good morning. In the previous slide, we seen about detail about the different reactions taken places in the photosynthesis, which involves dark reactions and light reactions. In this PVT, we discuss about detail about the factors affecting the photosynthesis. The rate of photosynthesis is defined in terms of the rate of oxygen produced by unit mass of the green plant tissues or unit weight of the total chlorophyll. The main factors are light intensity, wavelength, carbon dioxide concentration, temperature, water supply, chlorophyll concentrations, and pollutions. The first you will see the light intensity. The rate of photosynthesis would go up as intensity is increased because the more light a plant absorbs, the more photosynthesis can occur, which will lead to the production of the more ATP. However, very high intensity slows down the rate as it depletes the chlorophyll. Normal sunlight is quite sufficient for a normal rate of photosynthesis. The next is wavelength. Different colors of light can affect how much photosynthesis can occur. Because only certain colors are observed, the more color that is observed, the more light then that is observed, which will lead to the more photosynthesis and eventually more ATP. Photosynthesis depends upon the absorption of light by pigments in the leaves of plants. The most important of these is chlorophyll A. The next, carbon dioxide concentrations. As carbon dioxide concentration, the rate at which sugars are made by the light independent reaction increases. In the atmosphere, the concentration of carbon dioxide ranges from 0.03 to 0.04%. However, it is found that 0.1% of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increases the rate of photosynthesis significantly. This is done in greenhouses where plants are grown under controlled conditions. Next, the following graph shows how different concentrations of CO2 affect the rate of photosynthesis. The next, we will see the temperature. Temperature has an effect on the rate of photosynthesis. An optimum temperature ranging from 25% to 35% is required for a good rate. At temperatures around 0 degree Celsius, the enzymes stop working at very high temperatures and enzymes are denaturated. The next, the graph shows the optimum temperature needed for the suitable plant growth. When the optimum above optimum temperature, the plant growth will be stopped. Next, water supply. Water is an essential factor in photosynthesis. The lack of water not only causes the plant to wilt, thereby loss its ability to capture sunlight, but also limits the quantity of carbon dioxide. This happens as when the leaves are dry, they close their stomata in order to conserve water being lost as water vapor through them. Next, chlorophyll concentration. The constant of chlorophyll affects the rate of reaction. They absorb the light needed for the reactions. And the lack of chlorophyll, defense of chlorophyll results in chlorosis or yellowish of leaves. It can occur due to disease, mineral efficiency, or nature process of aging. Lack of iron, magnesium, nitrogen, and light affecting the formation of chlorophyll and thereby causes chlorosis. Next, pollution. The pollution of the atmosphere with industrial gases produces soot that blocks stomata and reduces transmission of the leaves. Pollution of water affects the hydrophones. The capacity of water to dissolve gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen is greatly affected. The next, you will see the artificial photosynthesis. Apart from the nature, the chemical process also helps in artificial photosynthesis. It is a chemical process that replicates natural process of photosynthesis using nanostructures. It refers to a scheme for capturing and storing the energy from the sunlight in the chemical bonds of the fuel. Compared to the current solar panel technology, in this technology, molecular nanoparticles cheaper, lighter, and more environmental sound. Artificial photosynthesis on the large industrial scale could resolve global warming since the process consumes carbon dioxide and release oxygen. At conclusion, all plants and animals are depend on the sun for energy. This energy is made available to them by photosynthesis. Man, like another, is dependent on the plants for their food. No photosynthesis is equal to no life. Thank you.